Hello and welcome to Audi Sligo, where we accept all years, makes and models on trade-in. On display, 2019 Audi A640 TDI, powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, 204 brake horsepower. S-Line model with S-Tronic automatic transmission, finishing a stunning, brilliant black exterior with black Alcantara leather upholstery on your heated S-Line seats. Vehicle comes with a very comprehensive Audi Approved Plus warranty, simple PCP finance options, and available for free nationwide delivery. It also comes with the sound and comfort pack. Features include LED lights to the front and rear to go with your front and rear parking sensors, single frame Audi signature grille, honeycomb diffusers. Vehicle is complemented with 19-inch multi-spoke alloys, colour-coded electric heated folding wing mirrors, S-Line body styling, leather multi-function steering wheel with paddle shifts to facilitate your manual drive, dual haptic touchscreen, Audi Drive Select, keyless ignition, start-stop technology, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, brushed aluminium finish on your inlays and cruise control. For further details and to arrange a test drive, please call our sales team on 071 911 5333.